Hello guys, it's me again, Daisy Ubayana here. So today's video will be cooking delicious crispy pata in very simple and easy way. And here are the complete list of our ingredients: pork knuckles or pata ng baboy, onion leaves, ginger, lemongrass, salt, black pepper or whole peppercorn, garlic or garlic powder, Maggi magic sarap, oil, and water. And here are the lists for our simple but delicious dipping sauce. We only need soy sauce, lemon, onion, and red chili. First, we have to put the pata or the knuckles in a cooking pot. And then, we just need to put all the ingredients here. Make sure that the water is just right to cover the pata or the knuckles. And then at this point, you can turn on the stove and you can cover the cooking pot. Then bring it to boil for an hour or until the pata or the knuckles is tender. So after an hour, when the pata or knuckles are already tender, remove it from the cooking pot and transfer it into a clean plate. And let it to cool down until it's manageable. And now we have to put it into our freezer for an hour. And the purpose for this is to achieve crispier pata. So after an hour, we may now deep fry this. Preheat the oil in a pot and then deep fry our pata or knuckles for 12 to 15 minutes off until the bottom part is crispy. And then after, flip the pata or knuckles over and do the same procedure. At this point, the pata or knuckles is now cooked and this is now crispy, just like the regular crispy pata. So now you can remove it from the cooking pot, transfer it into a plate with paper towel so the oil could be absorbed. And now we can start making our crispy pata delicious dip. All you have to do, you just need to put soy sauce in a bowl, lemon, sliced onion, and then red chili. Mix it and it's ready to serve. Enjoy your crispy pata.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.